Good evening. Um, I want to show you how to do map, use map info, Zoomchart Map. Why is it happening? Um, okay, let me put latitude, longitude. Then the name, let me put country. Value, let me put total population. Okay. Okay, let's start with the formatting. First of all, you go to this, you see, go to node setting. Okay, depend on what you want to do. You can change this the shape to droplets. You can also change it to cycle. You can also change it to rectangle. You can change it to rhombus and to diamond. So let's use of droplet. Then you can also change the fill color to whatever you want. You can change it to red, you can change it to blue. Let's go with this color. Let's go with this color. Then, okay, we are done with this side. Then you go to base layer setting. Base layer setting. This one is for zoom chart map. Oh, I don't know about the other, the native map. So you can change it to none. Okay. This way, after this, after changing it to none, let me check the maximum. Okay. So so you can then you now go to shape layer. You have plenty of them here. You can select any of your choice like this now. See the color. Um, the second one too. See the color based on your color of your choice. Then you can still edit the background color by yourself if you wish. Let's check the down arrow. Shape button, no need to touch it. World map, okay. Then the fill color. So I don't like this. That is green. I don't know the name. Not good of color. I put something like this. Okay. Then the line color. So you can also change the line color. You can see outline color. That is the line color. You can change it to your choice. Even the few colors if I don't like it. Let's see. Well, let me just leave it in this way. I don't just like it. Let me make use of this. Two door or two child. Okay. Mm, it's still the same color sharp. Can change it to anything you want, the color you want. So then you can also activate the conditional formatting based on the higher population like this. So the minimum population now is white. I don't like this white. Let me change it to let me go for this. And I can change the capacity field. Let me say 40. Then the maximum, that is the max fill color. I'll still make use of this. Uh, Not quite okay. Let me make it. Let me use this. You can see this is the maximum. So it happened based on conditional formatting, and it showed this color based on the highest number. So this one now shows that they have the highest population out of the listed countries. That's just the simple way to do it.